Ethan? Can you hear me? Where are you?
Everyone, move to the exits!
A Micah viewer touter. My husband is missing. Please help us find him. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. Let's make breakfast for everyone.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning. Breakfast is almost ready.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
I am hungry. Can we eat now?
Emma, eat well, everyone.
Thank you, Mom. Dad? Dad! Can we go somewhere today? Of course. Where would you like to go?
Let's go to the new shopping mall. I want to see the toy shop.
I want to visit the bookshop. I want a new mystery book.
Is everyone ready? Let's go!
Yay!
Emma, then it's decided. Today, we will all go to the shopping mall together.
Everyone, bring your things. We are leaving soon.
Wow! This mall is huge!
The toy shop is upstairs. The bookshop is next to it.
Look down! Everything looks so small!
We found it! The toy shop is here!
Wow! There are so many toys!
This mystery book looks perfect. I want this one.
You really love books. I'm proud of you.
It's almost lunchtime. Let's meet outside in 5 minutes.
Everyone is here. Let's have lunch together.
I think I saw my old friend.
I'll be back in 1 minute. Please wait for me here.
Be careful, Ethan. We'll wait right here for you. It's been 10 minutes. Where is Ethan? Emma, Dad will be back soon. Let's wait here together.
Mom? Did Dad answer?
Come on, Ethan. Please answer your phone. Maybe he didn't hear the phone. Let's stay calm. Do you smell that? Something is burning. Lily. Mom. Look at the smoke.
What is happening?
Stay close to me. Don't let go. Ethan, where are you? Please be safe. Ethan, can you hear me? Where are you? Mom? I'm scared. Stay with me. Everything will be okay.
Everyone, move to the exits! Stay calm. Follow me to the exit.
Micah Viewer Touter. My husband is missing. Please help us find him.
Everyone, move to the exits!
We will search for him. Firefighter reports Ethan's description over the rodeo. Please move outside safely.
Hold the railing. Stay close to me.
We're outside now. But where is Dad?
Please come back safely, Ethan. We're waiting for you.